Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Swansoft weed puller tool. This is a hand weeder tool with ergonomic handle, aluminum alloy weeding tool for garden, lawn and patio. So this set comes with a weeding tool and then a pair of gloves. So you can see this weeding tool. This is made of aluminum alloy. The handle is sturdy with plastic thing and there is a curvature so that you can pull it easily. So this is a V-shaped opening, only work on small weeds but not anything with a big and deep root. So ergonomically designed handle with soft grip, and this is made of aluminum alloy material which is durable and rust resistant. So this comes with this pair of waterproof gloves, and these garden gloves have a claw as for digging and planting. So one, like the right hand side one, have the claws on it, the plastic claws that is used or that can be useful for digging in the soil and for planting purpose. And this is a waterproof material, stretchable, and the other is without the claws. So this is just a normal glove. This is for like the left hand side that you can use. So if I put it on my hands, you can see it, I can wear it easily and it fits well. My size is a large hand size, so I will see like this gloves is like a large size glove, but I think this is the one size that comes with it and it fits almost on all hands. And this have the claws on it so that it's easy for digging and planting purpose. So as it mentioned, this is for the small weeds. This tool is not for like the big weeds or the deep rooted weeds. I will show you some example by pulling some weeds from my garden. So here is the weed. I just put this inside like to hold that weed thing, and